In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable dark mode on the Google Chrome web browser. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch between light and dark appearance in Chrome so you can choose what's most comfortable for your eyes and your workspace. Let's start from your computer's desktop. First, open the Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon on your taskbar, your dock, or from your list of applications. Give it a second to load until you see the Chrome window with your usual homepage or a new tab. Once Chrome is open, look towards the upper right corner of the window. You'll see a three-dot icon, often called the More menu or Customize and Control Google Chrome. Click on this three-dot button to open a drop-down menu with different options and settings. From this menu, move your mouse down and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new tab that contains all of Chrome's main settings. If the window looks a bit cluttered, don't worry. We're only going to focus on a specific section. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a vertical list of categories. Look for the one called Appearance. Click on Appearance to open the appearance options in the main area of the page. In the Appearance section, you'll find a setting called Theme. This is where Chrome controls whether it uses a light theme, a dark theme, or a theme that matches your device's system settings. Click on Theme, and Chrome will take you to the Chrome Web Store's theme page in a new tab. At the top, you'll usually see a section highlighting themes made by Chrome, including options for light and dark. To enable dark mode, choose a dark theme, such as the default dark theme offered by Chrome. Click on the dark theme, then click the button to add or apply it to Chrome. After a moment, your browser interface should switch to a darker color scheme, including the tabs, toolbar, and background. If you ever want to go back to light mode, return to the same theme section in Settings, open the Chrome Web Store Themes page again, and either select a light theme or click to reset to the default theme. Chrome will then switch back to a lighter appearance. That's all you need to enable or disable dark mode in Google Chrome. Feel free to experiment with different themes until you find the look that works best for you.